AI is eating search. I bet you've seen more than a dozen titles lately claiming SEO is dead, AI will replace Google, no one clicks search results anymore, the future of SEO is over. But here's the truth. Yes, AI is changing how people search. Zero-click results, chatbot answers, Google's AI overviews, it looks like links are disappearing. Hence, SEO isn't dead, it's just transforming and evolving. The way to win has changed. And if you don't keep up, you lose traffic, leads, and visibility. I'll show you how to stay ahead. Let's move beyond clickbait titles and hype and explore some statistics about the current state of SEO. Why search optimization is still foundational in the AI era. What's to be done to maximize the results from organic search? If you rely on organic visibility to grow your business and don't want to pay Google for every single lead, this is for you. SEO isn't dead, but the old playbook is. It used to be quite simple. You'd do keyword research, write a blog post with that keyword in the title, maybe grab a few backlinks, and boom, you'd rank. SEO was a map. Follow the directions and you'd get to your destination. But the terrain has changed. Now, SEO is more like a compass. You need direction, strategy, and adaptability because AI is rewriting the road. If you are still using a strategy from 2018, you are probably already seeing it. Traffic is flat or falling, rankings are disappearing. Content you worked hard on just vanished. AI doesn't care about blog posts that reward what's already out there. Now, Google doesn't want recycled advice. They want authority. They want real insights. And that's exactly what you'll need to stay ahead and visible in 2025. I have seen this scenario before, and history is about to repeat itself. I have been working in marketing since 2005. Back then, outdoor advertising was the powerhouse of the day. We worked with flyers, brochures, meshes, billboards, roll-ups, and that. Then online marketing appeared, followed by inbound marketing and social media marketing, and the marketing world shifted 90%. Now, AI has come to infuse a seismic change in the marketing world once again. Let's discuss the SEO landscape, stats that shatter the myth. Let's start with facts, not clickbait. As of April 2025, Google still owns 89.66% of the global search engine market. That's a stat counter statistics. The SEO industry is growing, expected to reach 106.9 billion this year and $194 billion by 2029. This is a report from the business research company. According to Statista, as of November 2024, Google and YouTube, both search engines, are the world's most visited websites. Together, they amass the volume of traffic of all the other 8 websites in the top 10. Plus, the new tools like AI, LLMs, and chatbots also rely on search engines. The search market is alive and well, and everywhere. But what's dead? The old ways of trying to win. What's changing? AI, chatbots, and zero-click search. Here's where things get tricky. AI overviews now answer users before they even click a link. ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Microsoft Copilot summarize information in seconds. Search behavior is shifting, but SEO still fuels these answers. Why? Because those tools rely also on content that ranks. If your content isn't optimized and isn't original, it won't get picked up. It won't be linked. It won't be cited. It won't even exist in this new AI-powered world. Your website content is still your foundation, but now it needs to go deeper than just keywords. What's no longer working? This is where most small businesses fall behind by changing to outdated tactics. Writing blog posts just to check off a keyword. using AI tools to spin out 50 articles with no real insights, publishing surface level content that adds nothing new. If your content looks like everyone else, Google will filter it. Their updated EEAT guidelines, meaning experience, expertise, authority, trust, specifically penalize low effort, auto generated, or redundant pages. So, if you are still following a 4 blog posts a month checklist with no depth, it's time to stop. What's working now? Future proof SEO strategies. Most SEO experts agree that to be successful today, you need to work with specialists and experts, people who do the thing your content is about. Real expertise wins. Run your own research, share case studies, survey results, or test data no one else has. Use rich formats like video, podcast, interactive visuals. These formats are harder to duplicate and more engaging. Publish opinions, not summaries. Google values perspective, not just paraphrasing. SEO still offers the best ROI. Let's zoom out. Search isn't just Google, it's also TikTok search, Amazon product discovery, YouTube video search, Reddit threads, App Store queries, AI chat summaries. If your content ranks, you don't just show up on Google, you show up everywhere people are searching. And unlike ads, which is the second your budget runs out, SEO still compounds over time. One strong evergreen article can bring in leads for years if it's built the right way. So now you see it, SEO isn't dead. But if you are stuck in 2018 tactics, your traffic might be. This new AI powered world doesn't forgive lazy strategies. It rewards bold, high value content built on real experience. In the next video, I'll walk you through the biggest SEO mistake small businesses are making right now and how to fix them fast. Watch next 40 main SEO mistakes to avoid that waste your budget and cost you leads. Click and learn what to stop doing so your content can finally start performing.